Hey, this is Dave Espino and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how can I make money from home on my laptop using the internet? Now, as someone who's done this for almost 20 years now, I can tell you there are several ways to do it. One of the best and easiest ways is to sell stuff online, like selling things on eBay, selling things on Amazon. That's one of the easiest, lowest hanging fruit types of opportunities that exist. You can buy stuff locally at thrift stores, flea markets, swap meets. You can buy stuff locally using the Facebook Marketplace, using the local Facebook classified ads, where they have a buy, sell, trade page where you can find those in your local area. You can buy stuff locally and then sell it globally on eBay or Amazon. And you would be amazed at the kind of profits you can make. Now, that's a work-intensive type of business, but it's a great, solid, honest business where you can buy stuff and flip it online for great, great profits. Another way that you can make money online with your computer is to be a freelancer. By freelancing, I mean that you can go to these websites like Upwork.com or Freelancer.com. You can publish a profile there explaining what all your skills are, all the different things that you can do, and then people will hire you to do some of that stuff. So if you have basic office skills, you know how to work with spreadsheets, you know how to do some simple accounting, even proofreading or translating, there are many different tasks that you can do. If you just go visit those websites, you'll see what I mean. They have a list of all the different types of tasks that people are doing right now. So you can do that and you can make some pretty good money as a freelancer just offering your services online. The third way, and the way that I like the most, is you can take your skills, your knowledge, your abilities, your talents, and package them up into a how-to course, a video course, or a video training that shows people how to do what you're already good at. And that's a lot easier to do than you might imagine, right? Because if you can put a PowerPoint presentation together and narrate it over your computer, then you've got a course. It's a very, very simple way to build out an online course. But once you do that, you publish it on a variety of different marketplaces, not just on one, but you can actually publish it on many different marketplaces, and every one of these marketplaces will start sending you income every time someone buys your online course. It's an incredible way to make money because it's not work intensive. You do the work once, and then it just keeps paying you over and over and over again. So I have a preference for the online course business. I have over 60 online courses, i.e. 60 revenue streams, 60 different income streams coming in, and from a variety of different marketplaces as well. And so I love this business. It gives me a massive passive income, and that's why I love teaching about it and showing people how to be successful with the online course business. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.